Professional dry organic carpet cleaning services in the Greater Salt Lake City area. Welcome to Green Solutions Carpet Cleaning, the #1 choice for dry, eco-friendly carpet cleaning. Our goal is to provide you with the best carpet cleaning service you've ever experienced, along with the super friendly professionalism that you'd expect from a locally owned and operated cleaning service. We feature a dry, eco-friendly, kid and pet safe carpet cleaning service that will rejuvenate your carpets, area rugs and furniture, leaving them fresh, clean, healthy, and beautiful, almost like new. Our services include organic dry carpet cleaning, air duct cleaning and treatment, tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning, allergen treatment, odor remediation, on-site area rug cleaning, house cleaning. We know there are lots of service providers to choose from, but if you're ready for beautiful, clean, dry, fresh and allergen-free carpets and/or related services that are always 100% guaranteed, why not give us a try? Free no-obligation quote. We're happy to provide a to the penny, no-obligation estimate. And to maximize your savings, be sure to sign up to receive our special offers. This revolutionary system is the most effective method of carpet cleaning you have ever seen, at any price. It will remove red wine and food stains, grease spots, pet stains and odors, blood, urine and vomit. Dry extraction will dramatically reduce dust mites, mold, bacteria, pollution, leaf dust, viruses, pollen, cat and dog dander, oils, hair and saliva residue. Regular carpet cleaning is recommended by the EPA to reduce toxins and allergens in the indoor environment. How it's done. Green Solutions Carpet Cleaning employs physical contact as opposed to hot water pressure. Our dry organic system intelligently controls the moisture that is used. Green Solutions Carpet Cleaning permanently removes deep down soil, cleaning carpet deeper and more thoroughly than any other carpet cleaning product on earth. What's more, carpet is left dry and ready to use immediately, without removing, flushing out with hot water pressure, valuable carpet stain-resistant materials. No dirt-attracting residue is left in carpet to attract new soil. Green Solutions Carpet Cleaning is organic. Dry versus steam cleaning. The outdated methods. Well over 90% of carpet cleaners use traditional methods, hot water extraction. You've probably seen them with a big van parked in the street with hoses running into the building. Steam cleaning, actual hot water extraction, is a 60-year-old process that can leave the carpets wet for many hours, or even days when not done properly. It is an old system that relies on high water pressure and sometimes harsh and/or toxic detergents to clean, which can force water and dirt down into the pads and even the subfloor. Water is then sucked out of the carpet, but because the pad and subfloors are wet, it takes a long time to get completely dry. This can cause wicking problems, stains coming back, mildew and mold problems, quick resoiling, bad odors, and a total inconvenience for you. These are the same reasons why the #1 consumer complaint about commercial carpet cleaning is wet carpets. The modern, eco-friendly solution. With our organic-based dry extraction carpet cleaning system, you will enjoy dry, organic, eco-friendly carpet cleaning.